Beanie brought joy to their international fans as they held a much-anticipated fan meet in Birmingham this day. Fans from across the United Kingdom and even neighboring countries flocked to the event venue, proudly waving banners to show their love and support for the P-pop sensation. The Birmingham stop marks another milestone in Beanie's overseas journey. The fan meet featured emotional moments filled the hall as the group expressed their gratitude to their international supporters, who have played a big role in their continued rise to global recognition.
Hello po. What's your name? One by one.
Oh yes! Gusto ko yan, gusto ko yan.
Lian. Hi, Lian. And it's Jack. Hello po. Jack. Jack. It's my birthday. Ah, happy birthday.
Huh?
Jonathan. Jonathan? Ano siya ako? Louis. Ha? Louis. Hi. Cassandra. Cassandra. Irish. Hello.
Evert!
Ha?
Evert! E-V-E-R-T.
Evert. Mike? Mike. Mike. Minty. Minty, ano po? Sheena. Sheena. Shannon po. Shannon. Wow.
Sige, Gabe, anong pangalan niya? Rita! Ah!
Awesome. Thank you po for coming. Pupunta po kayo bukas.
Sana di ka magsawa sa amin siya.
Sana kayo hindi magsawa po.
Nakain, tingin din! Ante, wala! Duwel ko yun!
Yan po.
Ano yan, Maloy? We went to Bullring.
Wow! Malamig ka na. Hindi kayo lalamig, Manoy.
Pinakapag na nga ako eh.
Tiis-tiis na lang.
Nag-shopping pa ba kayo? Ala, parang angel!
Ala, ang ganda ng lighting.
Si Diana!
Oh, thank you po. Thank you. How are you?
Kamusta ba lang?
Basta naman, Manoy. Okay naman. Ang sarap ng fish and chips.
Do you know her? Sabi, model na model. Grabe kumingin ako nga ko eh. Sabi ng mamayano. Yung lumpit na.
Lahat kayo ganyan ang tanong.
Bye.